Hello friends, welcome to day 7. Today we will explore Python file handling. Okay, it is a crucial topic for reading, writing and managing files in your Python program. This tutorial will cover everything about this file handling, ensuring nothing is left unexplained. Let's dive in. So first of all, what is the file handling? Okay, so file handling allows Python program to interact with file storage stored on your computer. Okay, this include operation like reading files, okay, writing to file, um, appending data to existing file, or managing files mode and path. Okay, so I just explain here. File store in your computer, like first of all, hmm, uh, we can say reading files, then writing to files. Okay, then appending data to existing files. Okay, and managing file mode modes and path. Okay, so first of all, type of operations. So first operation is open a file. Okay. So first I show you type of operation. So I think you can create your notes. So first is Python. Oh, sorry, it's like very huge. Today my mouse is not working correctly. Okay. So first I can say open the file. Okay. So sentence of open the file. Then Python provide the open function to open file. Okay, so I just means the sentence of file equals to file is like our variable name. We can write anything. Okay, yeah. Then open function, then mention your file name, our file name, and then mode. So this mode, 1 minute, I just rewrite, then mode. So this mode is very important. Okay, so mode will be I just explain here. Mode will be we can write in R for reading purpose, or it's like default. If you can write, if you not write anything, then it's take this one only, R. Then we have second W for write. So this for overwrite the file. Okay, then we have one more A. Okay, A for appending. Append means adds data to the file. Okay, then we have B mode. B mode for binary mode. Okay, so used used for non text files. Okay, used for non text files. Then we have one more X. So X for create a new file. Okay, throw error if existing. So file. Okay, new file. It means like throws error if exist. Okay, so just example we take. Okay, so I just create one file in Armod. Okay, so I create here one file here. Why it's creating in an inner side? I don't know. Create a new file like my intro, intro.py, not py, txt. Okay, I just mentioned my intro. My name is Harish Kumawat and I am working as a data scientist. Okay, this is file content. Okay, now I want to read this file in my main.py file. So I just mention my variable. Okay, suppose my file content equals to open, file name is my intro.txt. Okay, on which mode I want to read only in the read mode. Okay, then print file dot read. So file name, my file name is contents. Okay, my file contents. Then file dot closed. I will teach you one more way to read the content, and that time you don't need to file close. Okay, so you can see here my name is Harish Kumawat and I am working as a data scientist. So it's like printing here this output. I show you again here. Just go to here and print. You can see, yeah, my name is Harish Kumawat and I'm working data scientist. So I think you understood this. Okay, now reading a file. Okay, this is a reading a file. So we can read the entire file. We can read a single line, or we can uh, reads the line into the list. Okay, so I explain here for read function to for reading a file. Okay, so we can use read function for read the entire file. Okay, one more function, read line, not lines. Don't not I'm using as here. Okay, this read a single line. Okay, then I have one more, read lines as here. Okay, here read all lines into a list. So we just check. So I just create more content. I just add more content. So, and I am from Rajasthan. Okay, one more content, and I suppose I have a YouTube channel. Okay, and I am teaching data scientist topics. Okay, so I have 4 lines. Okay, in my this text file. Okay, so just go here and I check all things. Okay, so first file dot read. Read means it's read the all contents read file. So you can see here all content means my name and all things here printing. Okay, now we check only read line. So you can see only single line is showing first line. Okay, it's showing only first line. Now I just append as read lines. So you can see here we got the list of the all the lines. So we can say list of sentences here. Now write to a file. So third one we learn write to a file. How we can write? So use W mode. Okay, W mode to write. To write if the file doesn't exist. So always remember use W mode for write if file doesn't exist. Okay, it's created one. Existing content is overwrite. Okay, so always remember existing content is overwrited. Overwrited means like the erase the old content and write new things. So I just show you. First of all, I go to in my file, this file content. I just copy and paste in this because I don't need after of the example. Okay, so I show you this one. So this is my intro. Okay, I'm go to here and I just open this file in W mode. Okay, for writing, and I want to write something in my file. I want to write like my content file and write function, and I want to write like yeah, hello, good night. Okay, I want to write in my this file, my intro, and I run this. You can see check. Now all content is already erased, and here only yeah, hello, good night. Okay, now I want to write again in main file. Now good night to like good morning, good morning. So you can see here now it's already right good morning. Okay, so what will be happen if I write two things? File dot write please check my intro file. Okay, now I run this one. Now check in this. So you can see both content in morning. Please check this one. Okay, now fourth one is appending. So four is appending to a to a files. To always use a mode. A mode to add data. Add data without without overwrite. Overwrite. If you want to overwrite, then use W. If you want to without overwrite, you should be use A with existing content. Okay, so I will show you. I just again paste my intro. So where is, yeah, just copy here and paste to in file and save. Okay, now I want to overwrite the content. Okay, in our file. So I just use A. Then you can see here, I just run and check this file. You can see here, yeah, hello, good night. It directly append the data. You can see you want to display check intro in like new line. You just add here over slash before the line start. So now you can see I run again and display check this intro. Okay. Now fifth one is we learn about closing a file. Now fifth one, closing a file. Okay, so always close a file after using to it free up this like system resource. Okay, so always use like not file name, file variable, file variable name dot close. Okay, now file will be closed. Okay, now using with statement is very important. So I just change the color in color. Which one? Sixth one is it is sixth topic using with this with statement. The with statement automatically close the file for you. Okay, just open and read, automatically close the file. Okay, so I just want to read our file. You can see here, go in content. I just use with open function and my file name, my intro.txt. Okay, in which mode I want to use reading mode. Now ls is file. It is a nickname of the file. Okay, then print just a file, nickname of file and read all content. Okay, so I just print here. You can see here all content printing. Okay, not need to close here. Now file mode and summary I can like explain using in a table. So I just give you summary. So I can see here 7 point I mention file modes summary. Okay, so I just mention mode and description. So R for reading. जो which are default one also. Okay, then second W, which one? Write your overwrite. Always remember overwrite the content. Okay, then A for append. Okay, append means without the overwrite. Now next one, X, create new file. Okay, next before binary mode, and plus we have plus mode for read and write mode. Okay, so working with binary file, you want to check binary file. So like image.jp, image is a binary file store data into bytes. Okay, so use RB or WB mode for binary operation. Okay, so always use uh, binary, like for binary one, RB or WB. RB for read binary, and WB for write binary. Okay, so I will show you the example in upcoming videos because this video already lengthy. Okay, so one two things I will explain. Checking if file is existing or not. Just use just use OS module for check the file is existing or not. Okay, so you just use import OS and os.path.exist. Then just mention your file name like this. Like this, just import OS and os.path.exist, then explain and just your file name. If file already exists, then print the file existing, and then otherwise not. Then delete file. How we can delete the file? So use OS module to for delete file. You just use os dot remove and then file name. Okay, then file automatically deleted. So mini project simple log writer. Okay, so let's create a program that logs user input into a text file. Okay, so you just use this program, and you can store logs. Okay, so enter your log, like enter it's like taking while loop. I already teached you. Okay, how to use while loop. Okay, so just it like over right, and here we are using new line symbol. Okay, if you want to check, I just like this one. Yeah, my first log, my second log, my third log. Now for exit, I just exit. So you can see here log txt, and you can see here printing the data. So you should be create this program your for practice. Okay. So for best practice for the file handling, always use with statement to handle the files. Okay. Second one, and check if the file existing before reading or deleting it. Okay. Use approximator file mode RW or A existing for your task. And the exception with try exception to avoid crashes. Okay. So summary of this video, today we learned how to open and read, write and open files, the important of the closing file using with the statement, and managing binary files and checking file existence, and mini project to log user input use into the file. So tomorrow we will be dive into error and exception handling in the Python. See you then. So please, if you like my videos, please like and share video and click on bell icon. Thank you.